Hey, NFL fans! Welcome to our channel. Since you're here, you probably love watching NFL games on Sundays. But it's not always easy to catch all the games, especially live. That's where NFL Sunday Ticket comes in to brighten your day, especially now that YouTube and YouTubeTV have recently partnered with the NFL to bring Sunday Ticket to their platforms. What does this mean for football fans? What is NFL Sunday Ticket anyway? Simply put, it's a subscription service that lets you watch live NFL games that are usually unavailable in your local region on Sundays. This means that even if you live in a different state than your favorite team, you can still watch their games live. All you have to do is click the subscribe button and choose your plan on YouTube TV.
Signing up is simple. Click Try YouTube TV for free. Enter the ZIP code of your location. Continue by signing in with your email address. Choose the base plan, click Next, and add NFL Sunday Ticket to your program. Finally, choose your payment method, credit card or PayPal. And that's it. You're in. You can start your membership.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you next time.